back to my channel, Be Obsessed.
Up to forget, but baby we'll fall.
Hi guys, so for today's video, we are trying the viral DIY hair removal pack using this magical ingredient. So it's a sensation right now. It's all over the internet where people are saying that you can use this concoction and you can actually remove your hair permanently within 5 minutes. So we are going to try this live today. So let's just take the measurements as informed. So we will take about a spoonful of Colgate. This is the general one which we use to clean our teeth, brush our teeth in fact. So today let's see if we can do any magic. Okay, so I've taken about 1 spoon of Colgate here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add half a lemon to it as it's been informed. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice. Okay, in goes the lemon juice. We're gonna mix it. Okay, and then we are gonna add about 1 spoonful of sugar in it. So here, 1 spoon of sugar. 1 spoon of sugar in it. And as informed, we will make it into a thick paste like so. And today, by the way, I'm gonna use it on my husband's leg and show you if it can actually remove hair or not. So because it's a viral video all over the internet now and everybody is trying this, so I thought why not I give it a try in front of you guys and you guys know what is it actually beneficial or not. So this is the paste. This is the consistency of the paste that has been recommended. Okay, now let us go ahead and apply this on my husband's leg and show you if it can remove hair or not. Right, so you can see this is Neil's leg and he has hair on his leg. So I'm gonna show you how we are doing it. So we are applying it on his leg. Okay, so this is how it has been mentioned in the videos that's there, and we'll let it sit here for about 5 minutes. That's what mentioned. So we're just following the steps exactly. I really doubt if Colgate and sugar and lemon can actually remove hair from your body. Never heard of it, but it's a recent sensation, so I'm just showing it to you. So we'll let it sit here for 5 minutes and then I'll come back and show it to you guys if it is actually helpful or not. Alright guys, so we have been waiting for about 5 minutes and I'm back to show you exactly if it is removing the hair or not. So for the removal of this, we need a damp towel. So I've already I've washed it in fact in warm water, and because they have told to use a warm water damp towel, I don't know if that's making sense, but yeah, that's what they have told. So this is what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna scrub it slowly and see. Nothing is coming out, guys. I don't see any part or any portion of the hair is coming out. Let me give you a closer look to it. Just see. No, still nothing is coming out. Let me just clean it completely and show you if it is coming out or not. Nothing happened, guys. Nothing. Just see. The hair looks the way as it was, and I don't see a single strand of hair coming out using this technique. So I don't think that this technique is gonna work for me or for my husband, but if any of you have used it and it has worked for you guys, do let me know in the comment section below. And also if how to use it in the correct proportion. So maybe if I am not doing it in the right way, that is the reason it's not removing. But if you guys have received results, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you are liking my videos. Thank you.